As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Char-Broil Performance Series. What do you think?
Oh, interesting. Okay, so the ChuMaste is definitely cheaper, right? Around $169 compared to the Char-Broil at $370.
Yeah, big price difference. But what about size? I need something that can handle a decent amount of food.
Well, the Char-Broil has a larger primary cooking area, 475 square inches, versus the ChuMaste's 338.8. Plus, the Char-Broil has a 130 square in warming rack. The ChuMaste does have a 126 square in insulation rack, if that matters.
Okay, so the Char-Broil wins on cooking space. What about burners and power?
The Char-Broil has 4 main burners putting out 36,000 BTUs and a 10,000 BTU side burner. The ChuMaste has 3 burners totaling 30,000 BTUs. Some more burners and more power with the Char-Broil. That side burner is handy too.
Good point. What about build quality and materials?
Both are stainless steel, but customer reviews suggest mixed feelings about the ChuMaste's build. Some people mentioned bent pieces and thin materials. The Char-Broil seems to have better reviews in that regard. It uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates.
Durability is important. What about features?
The Char-Broil has electronic ignition, LED illuminated knobs, and a temperature gauge. The ChuMaste has a built-in thermometer and foldable side tables. Both have removable grease trays for easy cleaning.
Okay, so the Char-Broil seems to have more bells and whistles and better build quality. Is it much heavier?
It is. The Char-Broil weighs 85 pounds, while the ChuMaste is only about 52 pounds. Portability might be slightly easier with the ChuMaste.
Right, portability. Okay, so the Char-Broil is bigger, more powerful, and probably more durable, but it's also significantly more expensive and heavier. The ChuMaste is cheaper and lighter, but might not last as long and has less cooking space.
Exactly. It really depends on your budget and what you're looking for in a grill. If you grill a lot and want something that will last, the Char-Broil might be worth the extra investment. But if you only grill occasionally and want something more affordable, the ChuMaste could be a good option.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.